How to draw an isometric teddy bear. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer, then start to draw a teddy bear's head. And then next create a new layer and then start to draw a teddy bear ears. You can draw just one ear and then duplicate. Next, create a new layer and then start to draw a nose. And next, teddy bear eyes. You can draw just one and then duplicate. And then rearrange the eyes and nose. And then finishing the face of the teddy bear. Next, merge all the layers. And then start to draw a teddy bear body and legs. Try creating a new layer for each part of the teddy bear body. Alright, almost done. Think it look good. It's done now.